Look, you can make a snowball off Dad's car.
Let me see your snowball.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
Throw it at Costa.
Don't throw it at me.
Do it. Come on, you don't have to.
Fine,
You...
throw it at me. It's
Sucker.
snow, though.
Holy crap. I wish my camera could like explain how heavy it was snowing right now.
Look at the grass,
I know.
I want to go look at their grass.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Ow! My boots hurt. I don't have a bra on.
Snow angel, I call it.
Do it. Make a snow angel.
Wow, it's actually working.
Okay, get up. Let's see your snow angel. Ooh, snow
my head
angel.
didn't work.
It's okay.
He's like,
Costa, that's a beautiful snow angel.
now I want to
He
make
goes, don't touch it, don't walk on it. Are you taking a picture of it?
No, a video. Do you want me to take a picture of it?
Make one over there.
Yeah.